The Glen Burney Trail is tucked away in the outskirts of Blowing Rock, a bustling North Carolina mountain town. Along this trek, one will wander down a moderate path and catch a glimpse of a trio of waterfalls. Keep in mind that the dip in elevation you'll have to overcome on the way out, but you'll feel like you are much further from town than the efforts require. There are some potential fall hazards, so keep an eye on the kiddos. But overall, this is one of the best waterfall hikes in the Boone Blowing Rock area. The trail dashboard shows how this otherwise mild hike has a moderate ascent to watch out for. Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.